everyone. Curious to see how I did this look? Keep watching as I scroll in. Okay, so first things first, we are gonna start with the eyebrows, and I am using my Wet n Wild eye pencil. Okay, and now after my eyebrows are all done being shaped, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Chocolate. And now I'm just going to be cleaning up the eyebrow and priming the rest of my lid with a concealer. Okay, so today we are going to be playing with the new Blue Blood palette from Jeffree Star, and the first color I am using is Mint Tea, and I'm just going to put that underneath my brow bone and then blend it out on both sides. Okay, now I'm going to use I'm Cold, and I'm just going to use it to darken it up. Okay, now using Blue Blood, I am just taking it and blending it into my crease. Okay, now after blending out Blue Blood really good, we are going to be taking Deceased and putting it into the inner corners of this crease and then blending it out. Now taking concealer and doing where you want your cut crease to be. Now, after smoothing out the concealer, we are going to be using Blue Monday, and we are going to start towards the corner and then be blending it in both directions. Now taking Ocean Ice, we are going to use that on the outer corner on the lash line, and we are going to blend it into Blue Monday. Okay, now taking a flat brush, we are going to be dabbing Ice Tray into the center of the eyelid, going towards the inner corner. Now I'm just going to blend Ice Tray and Blue Monday together. Now taking Entitled, we are going to dab that into the inner corner. Now using a pointer brush, we are going to dip into Cullinan, and we are just going to highlight the inner corners to make it pop more and brighten. And then we are going to take it up underneath the brow bone to highlight it. Now I am using Boo Blue from the Mega Lash Liquid Catsuit of Wet n Wild liquid lipstick as a eyeliner, and I'm going to be putting it in the center, and then I'm going in with Pastel Grudge from Wet n Wild as well, and putting that in the corner, and then taking a black eyeliner and doing the end. Now taking the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, I'm using Cosmic Ocean, and I'm just putting that in the crease to highlight and glitter. And now, last but not least, I will be using Party from Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Glitter. Okay, so this is the completed look. Looks pretty good for doing an all blue look and reveal.